Okay, so here today's task, I will create this task in part and cow workbench in FreeCAD, of course. So let's begin. Uh, Select part workbench and empty file. Okay. So I did drawing. I'm starting this drawing from here, 50 and 59. Okay. So sketch, XY plane, reference 59 and 50. Okay. Now back to our normal. I created random line at this moment. Later I will propose it. Okay, 30.5. 30.5, and this dimension would be 30. Okay. And here 3-point arc. First, second, and random third. Give the relation. Okay. And radius. Oops. What is the radius? Radius is 40. So where is the relation gone? Okay, something might be added. Okay, 40. Okay, now I will give the relation. Okay, okay. Now trim. Okay, I don't need this line, and I create this line manually. Everything perfect. Once again, looks extrude, symmetry plane, and extrude would be 70. Sketch XY reverse. Okay, 7.5, 7.5. Okay, so I created this 7.5, this 7.5. This is 27. Okay, so I'm random created line, and this is the 27. Okay, now I created this line from here, 3 point, first, second, and third. Okay, I will give the dimension radius 25. Okay, fine. Relation, this line and this line, this line and this line. Oops, this line and this line. Okay, happen. Print. So here the sketch is ready. Extrude 80. I 80 give the random dimension because there is a no dimension for extrude. So select this both and go to Boolean XOR. Okay. Now go to Curve Workbench. Select this face, this one, all this required face, and extract face. Okay. Select all this and back to part workbench and connect. Okay. Select this XY plane, circle, radius is 15, 20 and 30. 30, oops, it's 20. And height is 30. Okay, close the sketch. Once again, symmetry plane and grid. And this extrude is not required to be solid, so false. Once again, select both and XOR. Select required faces. Select this one, this. Okay, I selected required faces and extract this. Select this to this, back to part workbench and connect. Select this part, convert to solid. Hide this, and here our part is ready. Select this, right click, appearance, diffuse, and here we go. Our drawing is ready. So I hope you might like this video. Thank you so much.